This will make 5 dog parks in a day. Yep. Continuation, we end up out here at Swope Dog Park. And what is it, about? It looks like 8 o'clock at night. So this has been a long day for Ruby. This is the 5th dog park. Have you been to more? Please definitely share. And by the way, give us a Facebook like on Kansas City Metro Dog Parks. Also like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you see your dog up here on this video, you better be sharing the video.
My God.
Battle of the Tug up here at Swope Dog Park. Kansas City Metro Dog Parks page. Please give us a Facebook like. By the way, what's your dog's name again? Ormand? Ormand. Ormand and Ruby.
Ruby's been having it for like 2 minutes already.
But neither one really got any fur up. Sadie's like, do I want to get in on this?
Get it, girl.
Oh, this one's turning out to be really good.
Get the toy, girl. Get the toy. The toy. The toy.
He still has it. He's only got like that little.
I know.
green bit.
You'd be surprised though. And it's like when they're looking at each other, because now they're just making eye contact. So that's what it is. Your dog's strong too. Get in there, girl. Get the toy. Get the toy.
It looks better if I get him from the side.
I hear you.
Up. Oh,
Your dog wins.
oh, we got a winner. Oh,
She's
we're
gonna go
done.
after it.
Please give us a Facebook like if you thought that was an awesome tug. Please share the video. Show Ormand some love. He kicked some ass. First time playing tug with Ruby. Is that his first time playing tug with the dog?
No, not with the dog, but with Ruby.
Oh, it is? So he has played tug with other dogs. Well, please give us a Facebook page like Kansas City Metro Dog Parks. Please share the video.
Get the toy.
Oh, we got it at Sadie and Ruby. Oh,
She didn't get a good grip on there.
Battle of the Tug.
Get the toy,
Oh,
girl.
there we go.
Get the
Oh,
toy.
Sadie's coming back
Get
for
the
it.
toy. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Trying to give you a chance. Here. There you go. She can't get it.
Hi, Bubba. Was that fun?
Get it, girl. Get the toy. Get the toy. No. Get the toy. Get the toy. She's like, no, she knows.
Oh, please give the video a like for Sadie's effort. She tried.
Come on, Sadie.
Another battle of the Tug. Ormand, Ruby, Sadie saying hi to Ormand there. And I don't know who that dog is. It's a guy down there.
Get the toy.
Do you know this dog's name?
Sammy.
Sammy?
Sammy? Yeah. It is Sammy? Alright. That's Sammy there. Ormand and Ruby going at it again.
Get the toy. Get the toy, girl. Get the toy.
Boy, 2 epic battles of the Tug in a night. I think Ruby wants her title back from Ormand.
Oh, Ruby got to lose.
Ruby, go!
Lost it. Brought it back.
We got some side action going on over here. Oh, Sadie got in on it. Sadie's in on it. Sadie's like, Sadie's like, these dogs are crazy.
Get the toy. Get the toy. Get the toy, man. Good girl. Good girl. Get the toy. Get the toy, man. Get it. Get the toy, man.
Oh, Sadie had it for a bit. Gave Ormand a short break. Oh, Ormand got it again. All right. Give the video a like. Please share. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Oh. It's Kansas City Metro Dog Parks up on Facebook. Ormand can jump.
I'm not. That's just where you leave it.
All right, time to sit and chill for a bit. Please like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Give us a Facebook like up on Kansas City Metro Dog Parks up on Facebook.
Sadie.